Every time you run your fingers through your hair, more strands come out. Every time you look in the mirror, you see more scalp showing through. You've spent hundreds of dollars on treatments that promised results but delivered nothing. What if I told you there's one simple, affordable natural ingredient that has been used for thousands of years to protect and strengthen hair? But here's the thing that most people get wrong: how you use it matters more than anything else. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use coconut oil the right way, the 5 real benefits backed by science, and the critical mistakes that waste your time and money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do tonight to start seeing results. Let's get into it. 1. Hair conditioning and protection. Here's what research actually shows about coconut oil in hair. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Science found that coconut oil is the only oil that actually penetrates into the hair shaft, instead of just sitting on the surface. This helps prevent protein loss, which causes hair to become weak and break. Now, I need to be honest with you. If you're experiencing significant hair loss, coconut oil won't regrow your hair. Hair loss has many causes like genetics, hormones, stress, or medical conditions. You should see a doctor to find out what's causing your hair loss. But coconut oil can help protect the hair you have and make it healthier and stronger. Here's exactly how to use it. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and warm it between your hands until it melts. Start by massaging it into your scalp, using gentle circular motions with your fingertips for about 5 minutes. This feels good and increases blood flow to your scalp. Then work the oil through your hair from roots to ends, making sure every strand is coated. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. If you can leave it on for 2 hours or overnight, even better. Just wrap your hair in a towel or wear a shower cap so it doesn't get on your pillow. When you're ready to wash it out, shampoo your hair twice. You might need a second shampooing to get all the oil out. Do this twice a week if your hair is damaged or dry. Once a week is fine for maintenance. After a few weeks, you should notice your hair feels softer, looks shinier, and breaks less when you brush it. The coconut oil creates a protective layer that prevents damage from washing, heat styling, and environmental stress. One important tip: if you have very fine or naturally oily hair, focus the oil mainly on the ends of your hair rather than your scalp, or it might look greasy. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. Now let's move on to benefit number 2. 2. Skin moisturizing. Coconut oil is an excellent natural moisturizer. Research published in the International Journal of Dermatology showed that coconut oil significantly improves skin hydration when people used it daily as a moisturizer. The best time to apply it is right after you shower, while your skin is still slightly damp. The moisture helps the oil spread more easily and absorb better. Take a small amount, warm it in your hands, and apply it to your body in long, smooth strokes. Start with less than you think you need because a little goes a long way. Coconut oil works especially well on very dry areas, like elbows, knees, and feet. Some people like to put it on their feet before bed and wear socks overnight for super soft feet in the morning. For your face, be careful. Coconut oil can clog pores and cause breakouts if you're prone to acne. If you want to try it on your face, test it on a small area first and see how your skin reacts over a few days. Studies have also shown that coconut oil can help people with eczema. It reduces inflammation and helps prevent skin infections. However, some people with eczema are sensitive to it, so always test a small area first. 3. Antibacterial properties for scalp health. Coconut oil contains something called lauric acid, which makes up about half of its content. Lauric acid has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. This is particularly helpful for your scalp. Some people with hair problems actually have scalp issues they don't know about, like dandruff caused by fungus or bacterial buildup that blocks hair follicles. When you massage coconut oil into your scalp, the lauric acid helps kill these harmful organisms and keeps your scalp clean and healthy. A healthy scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. If your scalp is inflamed, infected, or clogged, your hair follicles can't function properly. By using coconut oil regularly on your scalp, you create an environment where your hair can grow better. Some people also use coconut oil for oil pulling, which is swishing oil in your mouth for oral health. Put 1 tablespoon in your mouth first thing in the morning, and swish it gently for 10 to 15 minutes, then spit it into the trash. This can reduce bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Just remember, this doesn't replace brushing and flossing. 4. Cooking and energy. Coconut oil is different from other oils because of how your body processes it. It contains medium-chain fats that go straight to your liver and get converted into energy quickly instead of being stored as body fat. Some research suggests that these fats can slightly increase your metabolism and help your body burn a few extra calories throughout the day. However, the effect is modest. Don't expect coconut oil to cause dramatic weight loss. It has 120 calories per tablespoon, just like any other oil. If you want to use coconut oil for cooking, replace other oils with it rather than adding it on top of what you already eat. It works well for cooking eggs, sautéing vegetables, and baking. It has a mild coconut flavor that tastes good in many dishes. Some people add a teaspoon to their morning coffee. The fat provides steady energy and helps you feel full longer, which might help you avoid snacking before lunch. 1 or 2 tablespoons per day is reasonable if you're using it as part of a healthy diet. More than that, and you're consuming too much saturated fat. 5. Brain function. This is one of the more interesting benefits. The medium-chain fats in coconut oil are converted into ketones by your liver. Ketones can cross into your brain and provide energy to your brain cells. Many people report feeling more mentally clear and focused within an hour of consuming coconut oil, especially when they have it with coffee in the morning. Your brain uses a lot of energy, and ketones are an efficient fuel source. There has been some preliminary research on coconut oil and Alzheimer's disease. The theory is that Alzheimer's involves problems with how the brain uses glucose for energy, and ketones could provide an alternative fuel source. Some small studies have shown improvements, but the research is very early and limited. I need to be clear, coconut oil is not a treatment for Alzheimer's or any other brain disease. If you or someone you love has cognitive problems, please see a doctor. But for general brain health and mental clarity, some people find coconut oil helpful as part of their daily routine. The best time to take coconut oil for brain benefits is in the morning with breakfast. Start with 1 teaspoon and see how you feel. You can work up to 1 or 2 tablespoons if you want. Some people blend it into their coffee with a bit of butter for sustained energy and focus that lasts for hours. What to buy and how to start. Quality matters. Only buy organic virgin coconut oil that's cold-pressed. It should smell like coconut and be white when solid, clear when liquid. This means it hasn't been heavily processed with heat and chemicals that destroy the beneficial compounds. Avoid refined coconut oil for health and beauty uses. Refined oil has been processed and loses many of its benefits. When you first start using coconut oil internally, start small. Begin with just half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon per day. Some people get stomach upset, cramping, or diarrhea if they start with too much. After a few days, if everything feels fine, you can gradually increase the amount. For hair and scalp treatment, be consistent. Use it twice a week for at least 2 to 3 months before deciding if it's working for you. Hair grows slowly, so you need patience to see real results. If you have a coconut allergy, obviously don't use this. If you're not sure, do a patch test. Put a small amount on your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to see if you get any redness or irritation. Realistic expectations. Let me be completely honest with you. Coconut oil is not a miracle cure. It won't regrow hair if you have male pattern baldness or hormonal hair loss. It won't cure diseases. It's not a substitute for medical treatment. What it can do is protect and strengthen the hair you have, moisturize your skin naturally, support a healthy scalp environment, provide quick energy, and potentially improve mental clarity. For hair specifically, coconut oil works best for preventing damage and breakage. If your hair is falling out due to stress, nutritional deficiency, or damage from heat styling and chemicals, coconut oil can help while you address the underlying cause. The most important thing is consistency. Use it regularly, give it time to work, and pay attention to how your body responds. Everyone is different. What works great for one person might not work as well for you. Conclusion. Coconut oil offers real benefits when used correctly and with realistic expectations. For hair care, massage 2 to 3 tablespoons into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight. and do this twice a week consistently. For skin, apply it to damp skin after showering using just a small amount. For internal use, start with 1 teaspoon per day in the morning, and gradually increase to 1 or 2 tablespoons if desired. Buy high-quality organic virgin coconut oil, start slowly, be consistent, and be patient. Results take time. Combine coconut oil with other healthy habits like good nutrition, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and seeing a doctor if you have significant health concerns. Coconut oil is a useful natural ingredient with legitimate benefits, but it's just one tool among many for taking care of your health. Use it wisely and it can definitely help you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified of our next post. Thanks for watching.